Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to print plus star pattern in C programming. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so notification of my new video can reach you. So let's go to start. So first open terminal, because I am using Ubuntu operating system, and now create .c file. So first change directory. I'm using command touch and file name pattern.c and then click enter. So here you can see guys, pattern.c file is created. Now open and write here your C program to print a star pattern. So first header file, has include studio.h. Now using int main and using void open curly braces. Now using integer int n print message. So using printf, enter the odd number only. So type a message, enter odd number only. And now scan a message, so scan using scanf %d double inverted comma and n close bracket and use semicolon using 4. So int I equal to 1 semicolon and I greater than equal to n, and I greater than equal to n. Now using semicolon and I plus plus and close the bracket. Now using open curly braces and now using if I equal to n divided by 2, n divided by 2, sorry, n plus 2, n plus 1, close the bracket. Now open curly braces. Now again using for loop, int and j equal to 1 using semicolon, and next j greater than equal to n, j greater than equal to n, like that. I now using semicolon and again j plus plus and close the bracket. Now using open curly brackets, again using printf, print plus and close the bracket and using semicolon, and now double in using and close curly braces, and now using else open curly braces. Now using 4 so now we are using 4 after curly braces, using int and j equal to 1 semicolon and j equal equal to 1 semicolon, and j greater than equal to n slash 2, and j greater than equal to n slash 2 semicolon, and j plus plus. Now open curly braces, and now using printf and then close curly braces, printf close curly braces. Now using printf 4, change the line, so using slash n. Using req rn return 0 and close the bracket. So guys, you can see here program is complete. So now save the program. We're going to desktop. So we can see here pattern.c program is successfully saved. So guys, we can see pattern.c file is successfully saved. So now open terminal and run and compile the program. So first change directory, so guys, we can see here desktop directory. So my python.c file is saved in desktop directory. So I'm already changed the directory, so you can see here desktop directory. So first compile the program, so using gcc and file name, so pattern pattern dot c my case output -2 and paste and click enter. So we can see here program is successfully compiled. Now run the program. So dot slash paste. So enter the odd number only. So now I'm going to enter 11 and click enter. So we can see here plus pattern is successfully print. So thanks for watching.
Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness.